Next, ancient Amazon rainforest, dawn. The sun filters through dense canopy, casting golden rays on a hidden indigenous village. Huts made of thatch and would stand in a circle around a central fire pit. Birds call, monkeys howl in the distance. Narrator VO. Ancient, wise voice. In the heart of the great green wilderness, where the spirits of the ancestors whisper through the leaves, there lived a tribe known as the Ynnari. They followed the tribal path, the sacred way of harmony with the forest, passed down through generations. Cut 2. Int. Ynnari village hut. Morning, Kai, 18, strong and curious young warrior with tribal markings on his arms, wakes up. His mother, Elara, elder healer, prepares herbs. Elara, Kai, today is the day of your vision quest. The elders have chosen you. The forest is restless. Dark shadows creep from the north, outsiders who cut the trees and poison the rivers. Kai, I am ready, mother. The spirits will guide me on the tribal path. Elara ties a sacred amulet around his neck, a carved jaguar tooth. Elara, this will protect you. Remember, the path is not just a trail through the jungle. It is the journey within. Next, Village Century Day. The tribe gathers. Chief Tahu, old and wise with feathers in his hair, addresses the people. Chief Tahu. The ancient prophecy speaks of a young warrior who will walk the tribal path to the Forbidden's temple. There, he will awaken the guardian spirit and restore balance. Kai, son of our fallen hunter, you are that warrior. The tribe chants, drumming rhythms. Kai bows, Kadai, I will not fail you. Chief, his best friend, Lyra, 17, fierce archer girl with braided hair, steps forward. Lyra, I'm coming with you. The path is dangerous alone. Chief Tahu. The prophecy says one, but the spirits allow companions. Go, both of you. Bring back the light of the forest.